BakwaSwazi Farm lomuhla bakhiphe umbiko wetindzaba kuveta kudvumala kwabo ngendlela yenhlangano yetemphilo kamhlaba-hlangene i-World Health Organization leyasebenta ngayo indzaba yemahemhemu lebekadze yavakala kwekutsi yena-ke Swazi Farm wathatha imali kuhulumende wenta shengatsi yatsenga emaphilisi e-remdesivir labekadze yentelwa umkhuhlane we-COVID-19 eveni laseNamibia kantsi lamaphilisi kwakadze kutsitiwe anikelwe nguye ke-WHO eveni laseSwatini. Yona-ke inhlangano yaka-WHO kutsite emalangeni lambalwa lengcile yakhipha-ke umbiko wetindzaba kucacisa kabanti kule ndzaba kokuthi bona abazange-ke balinikelele live lakaNkwane ngawo lamaphilisi. Umsakato wakhulumisana nemnumzane Karim Ashraf uthite akumtfokotisi loko ngoba lamahemhemu lebekadze soloke ahamba etinkhundleni tetekuchumana abasebentisa kabi bayenkampane kangangekuthi bagcina-ke balahlekelwa ibhizinisi etigameni letehlukahlukene. Ashraf uyasho nokuthi kusebenta kwabo kwabe sesekudala kwekuthi bangabese-ke bayethembeka nakuwo-ke emakhasimende abo kanti nemndeni wakhe uthi kabeteke kakhulu. Uthile kumphatha kabi kakhulu ngokuthi yena WHO angatendi taba ukuthi avele-ke aphendvule yona indzaba kubo banguye-ke Swazi Farm njengoba sebayazamile emahlandla lamanyenti kukhulumisana nabo mayelana nale ndzaba.
Without knowing that what damage they have done to my family, my business, it was a simple word, yes or no. People thought that we have been stealing from the government. Lucky for me that the government trusted me. Up to now, nobody has stopped anything from us. We have been supplying without any problems. Since this thing started last year in April, we must have supplied more than 50 trucks to CMS. Even the last order we received was last week, I think for 18 million or 17 million. So we never stopped supplying them. But they were also not coming forward because they never knew the true story, whether WHO has supplied this thing or donated this thing. And when this thing was cleared, I got hold of this gentleman who's the resident coordinator. And I think he tried to ask, but he was also honest. He should have just told me on my face that he is not the boss of this United Nations agencies who are working here. He's just a resident coordinator, or like a messenger. He coordinates all the agencies, and then whatever, because when I asked that, who is your boss? Some agencies are saying now one is in Brazil, Congo, Brazzaville. Some agencies' bosses are in Geneva, some are in South Africa. So basically, he should have come clean to me and said, no, why don't you ask direct to this lady, because she's not replying to me and I'm not her boss.
Ashraf uvetile kwekuthi bayenkampane sebagcine-ke babone kukuhle ukuthi babhalele khona-ke enhloko ofisi noma-ke kubaphathi baka-WHO labase-Congo Brazzaville, labase-Geneva kanye nalabaseNingizimu Afrika kutfola-ke kusitakala kuyo le ndzaba.
We wrote a letter to the bosses, like I said before. George Washira is only a resident coordinator. He can only ask them what to do, and they will oblige him if they want to. So when I realized that she's not coming with any answer, so we found out that her main office, her supervisor is in Congo Brazzaville, and we sent a letter to her. Is also a lady from Botswana, I think. She's the supervisor for Susan, and I'm waiting for her reply. And then we'll decide whether to escalate this thing right up to United Nations, or we'll come up to some amicable solution so we can sort it out here. So in future they should not do funny things like this, that they keep quiet and try to ruin the life of so many people.
Umsakato weThonya Maswati ukhulumisene na Dr. Susan Tembo Lungiyena-ke yacaphelela ihhovisi lalapha eNaseSwatini laka-World Health Organization lovetile ukuthi le ndzaba zeyingetulu kwesigaba sakhe njengoba yena-ke Swazi Farm asatsintse bona baphathi emaveni langaphandle kwakuleli. Thina balihhovisi batawumela-ke imphendvulo lechamuka khona lapha kulabaphathi ngaphambi kokube kube khona labakushoko. Elindzabeni temsakato eShowe yeMaswati, Biyakhanyisile Mabuza, Mbabane.